I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics one day before an exam. Start by quickly identifying the most important chapters and topics. Dedicate about 60% of your time to these high-priority areas. Don't try to learn new concepts. Instead, reinforce what you already know. Focus on understanding the core principles and their applications. This targeted approach will maximize your efficiency and boost your confidence for the exam. Next, dedicate a significant portion of your study time to mastering essential formulas. Write down all critical formulas on a single sheet of paper. Understand what each variable represents and its standard units. Practice applying these formulas to a few example problems to solidify your understanding. This active recall method is far more effective than simply reading them. Aim for about 25% of your study time here. Now let's move to practice problem solving. Instead of attempting many problems, select one or two typical problems from each major topic. Prioritize conceptual questions that test your understanding of principles. Try to solve them within a set time limit, similar to exam conditions. After solving, carefully review the solutions, especially for any errors you made. This helps identify weak areas and reinforces correct methods. Finally, in the hours leading up to your exam, do a quick final review. Skim through your notes, focusing on definitions, laws, and diagrams. Avoid cramming new information. Most importantly, ensure you get adequate rest, aiming for 7 to 8 hours of sleep. A well-rested mind performs significantly better. Eat a light, healthy meal and arrive at the exam center early, feeling calm and ready to succeed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.